5 websites that can easily make you $100 every single day. Right. So what's up, guys? Peter Monshepoye. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be telling you the 5 best websites to use that can easily make you $100 every single day. Now, you might know these sites, you might know most of them actually, but you don't actually know how to make money with them. So stay tuned to the end of the video because the number one is my best recommendation website, right? So stay tuned, watch this whole thing because every way you might know, you might not know which way is the best way for you. So stay tuned until the end of the video so you know which one is the best way, right? So let's get straight on, right? Number one, it's called Upwork, right? Freelancing. Freelancing basically it's you finding a special skill, what you're good at, what you're not good at. If you're good at basically writing, right? If you're good at writing, or if you're good at designing, if you're good at this, right? So you go to this site called freelancing, you set up your gig, and then you tell people, hey, I can design your logo for you, your company logo for you. You just pay me $5. Oh, hey, I can design, I can edit the video for you. You just pay me $10, right? So you find a special skills, right? So you can see all these skills people, whatever skills, accounting, marketing, customer service. Can even become virtual assistant, anything you really want. Okay, you can actually be here, web designing, everything here, and then you set up your gig, set up multiple gigs, and then basically put it there and wait for people to pay you for them to do something for them. What depends what you're good at. If you're good at designing, like I said before, you can go into design. So that is upwards, right? Let's move on. Number two, Instagram, right? Probably most of you, or if not all of you, probably use Instagram, right? So Instagram is a place where people share photos and all those things, right? So the best way to make money from this website, apart from you scrolling up and down and liking your friends or people's photos, is making an Instagram influencer page, right? So making Instagram influencer page, like let's say make money, let's say makeup, make right? So what wake up, let's say wake up hours, right? So what does this mean, right? So you set up your Instagram, it's free to use Instagram, right? So you set up your Instagram, you go into a certain niche you want to start, if it's dog, if it's this, if it's that, anything, right? And you start posting pictures, high quality definition pictures, in whatever niche you are, right? If it's makeup, if it's this, if it's that, right? And then if you get up to like let's say 500, no, let's say five, to 2,000 followers, right? From 2,000 followers upwards, it's where people, it's where you do this, right? So it's like this person has a shop, right? This person has a shop. So these 2 million people, 2.1 million followers, right? So if he you can earn money two ways. You can either get people advertise to your channel, people will pay you $100, $200 anyway, right? $100, $200, any type of money for them to advertise on your page, right? So for them to advertise on your page. Or you can easily have a shop here, and then when you're posting and say, hey, you want to see this best makeup? You want to see where to find these lipsticks or makeup? I don't know, right? So check out the link, and actually this person makes money, right? So let's say right, so from let's say 2.1 million followers, like 2.1, let's just say 2.1, yeah, let's just say for example from 2 million followers, right? Only 10,000 people, 10, let's say 10,000 people, which is very little, right? 10,000 people buy from this thing. So let's say for example a makeup is $10. Alright, so it's $10. I don't know how much is makeup by the way, so if it's less, if it's more, I don't know. But so let's say it's $10. So per month he can be earning 100,000 from only 10,000 people. Now this is really low balling the person because this person has 2.1 million followers. So he makes or she makes thousand. I mean, hell of a lot of money, right? So Instagram is one of the ways. The number third way is Pinterest, right? If you don't know Pinterest, it's basically where you can also say similar to Instagram, but here you post your things, whatever you wanna sell. If you have something to sell, if you have something to sell at home, if your phone, like if your phone, if you have your book, whatever you wanna sell, you can go to this site and basically sell it, right? So let's search for shoes, right? If you search for shoes here, right? So here, whatever things you have in your house, if you have something that you like in your house, you can basically go to this website and you can go sell it, right? So you see people here are selling their shoes and all those things, right? So you go here, right? You put up your shoes, you make your own pin, right? Pin, and then people go through your shoes, whatever thing you like, and then they go to the shop, right? Here is the shop. So if I click here, it's going to go to this person's shop, and then I'll buy the shoes. And that's how you make money with Pinterest, right? So this is actually a cool way to make money if you have something to sell at home. If there's things in your house that you don't need, or you can basically order clothes from another country and then you put them on a site and then start selling them. Whatever you want to sell, not only clothes, it can be literally anything. So let's search for. Never searched this before, so let's find out, right? Television. Television. Right. Never searched this before, so hopefully it works, right? So exactly, you can sell literally anything and advertise literally anything. Televisions, whatever. Pretty sure if you type it in the correct way to give you the correct things, right? So you can sell anything on this site, whatever you don't need, if it's your shoes, whatever. Like I said before, you can go on this site and then start selling, right? So that's the third one. The fourth one is right the site that you are using, that the site that you are on right now watching me, right? YouTube, right? YouTube, the best way to make money. How does YouTube pay you? You can say blogging, right? So you can basically have your phone. If you don't have a camera, start with your phone, record yourself, right? Document yourself every single day, speak about your life and things like that. Or if you have nothing, if your life is uninteresting, right? Or if you like gaming or anything, you can literally talk about anything that you wish. You can talk about. If it's about your feet, don't. But if it's about your feet, you can talk about your feet, right? Anything you can be, as long as you stay consistent, upload like every single day, do it for 90 days, and then boom, the YouTube algorithm will pick you up, and then starts YouTube money starts rolling in, right? And this number four website goes together with the last one, right? So now, before I go into the last one, right? First things first, check out my free affiliate marketing ebook, the first link in the description to see everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing, what I do that earns me money, right? That and that's actually I'm gonna explain in the fifth way, right? So take it out. Or secondly, that will take you that will lead you to my number one recommended system that will help me make money with affiliate marketing, right? So now after all the sites I've talked from, if you know if you perhaps don't have good pictures, if perhaps you don't have any good skills to edit, if perhaps you don't have any clothes to sell, right? From all the sites, from all those four sites I talked about, if you don't have a good interesting life, if your life is like Philemon's life where he just sits on his computer every single day doing marketing things, it's boring, right? If you perhaps don't have that, now this last one, there is no complaint, there is no doubt that you cannot do this one. This one is a high kicker, right? And what is it called? Clickbait, right? Clickbait. What is clickbait? Here is where you sell or promote other people's products, right? Now, it depends what niche you are in, or basically what niche you are in, what you are interested in, what's your purpose, and everything like that. If you, for example, you were basically you gained weight, right? So it was a holiday, 2 weeks of holiday, say it was fun, right? So you gained probably weight, and then you bought let's say some nutritions, right? Some nutritions, or let's say in the way healthy, right? So and then and then you bought like for example this flat belly fix here, right? And then you lost weight from it. Now your friend comes and asks you, hey, what did you do for you to gain? I mean, for you to lose all that weight you had, and then you refer them to this product. Now, if you only refer them to the product like that, they're just gonna buy it without you earning anything. Now, the power of clipping is now you get to earn an average of 37 bucks just from referring a person, right? Just from telling your friend, hey, this product has helped me out from me not being fat anymore. Or by the way, I'm not discriminating, I'm not generalizing or fat shaming nobody, right? This product helped me to lose weight, right? So why don't you try it? It might help you. And then you refer it, and then they buy it. You get a $37 commission, right? So and then you do this. You go to sites like Facebook, right, where you actually go and promote whatever product you want to promote. If it's make money online, you say, hey, I know it's January. I know it's a dry January. People have been partying, but probably don't have any money online right now. So, I mean, probably don't have money right now. So, why don't you do this? Why don't you sign up to this website, right? And then it will teach you how to make money online. And actually, when you tell people to do that, you can actually get paid. So, and this is actually the way I am making money online, right? If you want to find out more, I said before already, click my first link in the description to take you to my free affiliate marketing ebook. You go there, you sign up, I send you the free ebook for you to read. Or if you want to jumpstart your success, you can click the second link in the description that will take you to my number one new recommendation. The number one course that has taught me everything I am teaching you right now and more. That is teaching you how to make money online, the best way to make money online with affiliate marketing, how to make them high ticket affiliate marketing, how to make six figures in a month if you're just starting out, everything. Shit's in the second link in the description if you want to find out. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. If you've enjoyed this video, like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new. My name is Philemon Shepo, and see you in the next video, guys. Subscribe to the channel and peace.